Tigers may be fierce hunters, but with their cubs, they are gentle and playful. A mother tiger nudges her little ones, encouraging them to pounce and chase her tail. The cubs tumble over each other, practicing the skills they'll need as adults. Sometimes the father joins in, swiping at them with soft paws, teaching them the ways of the wild. These playful moments are more than just fun. They help the cubs grow strong, fast, and ready for the jungle. Even the mightiest predators have a soft side when it comes to family.